Today is February 17th. We're at Cook's Bay. It's 8 o'clock, -8, a little bit of snow, and we're about to head out. Can barely move. The snow is making it very hard, even with my grips on. And all this friction from the snow is just piling up. We're at our second hole, sorry. Snow's coming down. We're only at like 11 feet of water. It's really hard to move in this water, so we're gonna try to flash them in and see if we can see them. I'm trying to call in the fish now. We're at 15 feet. I think I got some seaweed on me. This fish finder we got from Amazon. The camera is HD. It records internally, 32 gigs, up to 720p. Kind of cool, pretty clear. We'll show you some shots later. For the price you get, it's like 240 bucks. I like how you can record. We've tried the Aqua View last year and it wasn't the same. But the camera got foggy with the Aqua View, so yeah, we returned it. The snow is really coming down and it's very hard to move. We've decided to just post up at 19 feet. I didn't finish repairing the skis yesterday and it's really biting us in the butt today. We're just gonna shovel the area where we're gonna be. We do want to keep a little bit of snow. It does keep it warm, but we're gonna insulate the sides anyway, so. The weather today makes it very challenging to maneuver in the snow. As you can see, there's only 2 other huts out there. Actually 4. There were a lot of people there, but you can't see them anymore because of the whiteout. Weather's not bad. It's pretty warm. I would say -10. I didn't complete the skis, so it made it really challenging. The skis were useless, pretty much. All I need is a Robbie bit, which I don't have. This is the sled I modified last night because it kept breaking. Forgot to add 7 screws, so we're kind of screwed right now. This can't be up when we're pulling it, which makes it really difficult to truck through the snow. I just need a Robbie bit and take some of these screws and add it over here, but I don't have a Robbie, so we need more mats, I think. Another 6 mats would do it. On a day like today, highly recommend that you use the outriggers. So I anchor up an extra 4 on top of the 4 that I already put in, because on a windy day, this can pop in and this piece of metal, this knuckle, and whack you in the face. So it's very important not take any chances on Mother Nature, because she can act up anytime she wants. There's a guy all the way out there. Look at that. First fish of the day. I didn't get a chance to interview him. So how did it feel when you got hooked by the gills? Oh yeah, perfect time to talk about the Mark IV 7-inch HD monitor. We have a setup here on a tripod. As you can see, it's pretty clear. Internal recording, we got LED, and this is with all the windows open. If you close the windows, it'd be even clearer. Wind is picked up significantly. Thank God we anchored down, but this is still giving us a problem, so I'm gonna go outside and try to tighten it. It's like so windy. Hang on. Okay. Holy smokes, so windy. The orange guy is gone. Oh no, he moved further out. Oh no, he came off. Oh no, are you serious? What? Look at that. It's the most I've ever seen it bend. That's crazy. That's the knuckle I was talking about. You don't want to be sitting in front of this. It's just gonna flick back and knock you out. I'm just gonna stand here for now. Hey, that's a decent size. Welcome. Finally. You know it's windy when the snow is leaking from somewhere, even though everything's sealed. Hey, you're touching the fish.
Yeah.
You never touch the fish.
No, I hate touching them, but I have to when it comes to this hook.
Still windy, but not as windy as before. Hut is still holding up. Oh, let's see what else is going on. Another one. Jesus. It is super windy today. Birria instant noodles. I don't understand why you're doing that.
Because I wanted to make it hot.
Yeah, you put the birria in the pot now.
This is the way I want to.
Chill. Don't you say something for the tacos?
I don't want tacos.
You don't want to eat tacos?
No. If you want tacos, you can have tacos, but I would.
If there's any meat left.
There is. There's a whole piece of steak in there.
You gotta commit to that pour. So there's birria meat, beef, cheese, and ramen. I think you've seen it all. It's really cold and wet. I think we need to move and leave a little bit of snow in for next time. Look at that piece of lamb in there. First meal of the day. This is from our tacos last night. We are going to pivot ourselves out of here because we have a flood. Not flood, but we're just just melted too much water. So we're gonna go somewhere that has a little bit of snow, and remember not to scoop the snow. We're gonna leave the snow to insulate the ice. So we noticed our feet were getting cold even with the mats. It's because the mats were wet. Decided to move 15 feet. Lots of people out. This orange guy was closer. He's moved out a lot further. There's some people without huts. Crazy. All right, we are here at a new location, about 20 feet away, to see if there's any difference. We brought the sled inside this time so we can pre-pack everything when we're ready to go. Kept the snow on the ground to insulate. I insulated the outside maybe 2 feet high, keep us warm. And the fish got bigger. Some coffee. We'll be drinking the X2 coffee. If you haven't tried this yet, pick this up at your local Asian grocery store. See this? Ow! Right to the pour. That smells amazing. Time to make some birria tacos. Well, just heating up really. Dip the tortilla in the sauce. Oh, it's too hot. Too hot. It's evaporating so quick. Ow! Get the queso in there. Last but not least, the lamb. We got lamb. Oh, that's a big fish. One of the big fish. Now I wish I had a plate. Yeah, I don't even have paper though. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but wow, that looks so good. Come on. Oh no! That works. Whatever, that works, I guess. Well, while that's cooling down, I'll put another one in. I'm only gonna eat two since it's so difficult. And let's try this. Beer in a cup. Sure, why not? Oh. God damn, that was good. It does taste good. Batch number 2. This is accomplished. Savory. A little gamey from the lamb. So good. The wind has died down significantly, but our second location proved to be much more warmer, regardless of the wind conditions, because we insulated the bottom with snow really high up, about 2 feet. We anchored down on all sides. I noticed that when we anchor further out, it's less likely to pop in rather than closer to the tent. That helped a lot. All right, that just about sums up the day. We caught about 30 perch, maybe more, some decent, but none of them keepers. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.